We've always seen the moon as a dream, but soon it won't just be a dream. It'll be humanity's second home.
Watch your footing near the rover. The regolith is loose here.
Copy that. Maintaining the bounding gate takes concentration. Just another Tuesday shift. Keep the conveyors moving. Affirmative. Extraction rates are holding steady.
The way things usually work here.
External interface secure. Engaging primary life support connection. Copy that. Rover systems show green. Clear for autonomous departure. This batch looks excellent, ready for transfer.
Confirmed. Logging the yield now.
Look at the readings on Bay 4. We need to adjust the light spectrum.
Okay, I'll initiate the sequence now.
Best view of Earth while getting a swim in. Definitely worth the trip to the Lunar Dome. This blue marble, cadets, is Earth. It is vital that we protect its delicate atmosphere and rich biodiversity.
And then the commander says, that's not where we parked the rover.
You are making that up. That did not happen.